Good morning, Internet. This is Hayabusa Wave Rider. Today we're gonna change the do the service for the rear brake pads of Hayabusa Gen 3. This is my Hayabusa Gen 3, and these are the rear brake pads. The condition of the brake pads is pretty good. Just it needs a bit of servicing. To do the servicing, following things we gotta do first. We gotta remove this nut bolt. Then there is an Allen key required here, and then after doing this, taking the the brake pads out, we will be cleaning the disc. We'll be sanding the disc, as a matter of fact. And for sanding, I am using this sandpaper. For cleaning the caliper, I am using throttle body cleaner. Once you open these two, one and two, the entire caliper is gonna go up and back. Entire thing moves up and back, and then we can slide out the brake pads. So let's begin. We'll be requiring a number 10 panel for this. Go downwards. There it goes. Okay. This is the first thing we are doing. And then we got to remove the Allen key. There are three Allen keys provided by Suzuki. We're using the center one, the middle one, medium one. Not the smallest, not the largest, but the middle one. Okay, so this is a little bit of pressure to open it. Slide down. Yeah. You can see it's rotating. Sorry, the focus was not here. For the spark. Got it. We keep on rotating it till it gets free. Very easy. No rocket science required. Just take it out. Keep it clean, right? See, this is how it comes out. Next thing is to remove this one. Rotate it. Jai Shri Ram Ji.